So lighting this many rockets, they don't really give you a system in the pack to shoot them off with. So luckily, I've got a buddy named Brian who owns Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase, and he actually sells this cool little rocket launcher, and I'll demonstrate how that works. So you just put your rockets here in between the, it looks like a graph kind of. So you just put it in there like that, and your rocket is gonna come flying right out of it, just like that.
Rocket Launchpad XL, the big rocket. Boom! Yay! We're gonna send these things all going skyward.